Nigga, you should see mine was worse.
Man, my good pants.
Mine was worse. I busted a flip.
This is CJ learning how to use Heelys. Go help him, Ron.
Go fast, go fast, go You got job. I'm at my job right now. Shit, I stay at my job.
That's Freaky Ricky. That's some guy with a big head.
It's me giving Omar a kiss.
Fat man trying to skate. Go! CJ, look at the camera.
Wait. We're going to see how you feel. How you feel? How your ass feel?
My ass.
Sound like you're fucked in the ass. You want to use them again?
In approximately an hour.